Picture this. You've made the exciting decision to become a paramedical tattoo artist. You're ready to specialize in the life-changing work of areola restorative tattooing, scar camouflage, and stretch mark revision. You're ready to collaborate with doctors, surgeons, and other medical professionals that are specializing in this lucrative field. You've done your research, and now you've found the place to make it happen. We greet you with a warm welcome at the Houston airport because yes, we're picking you up. From there, we'll whisk you away to our stunning lakeside training facility. This isn't just any training, it's a retreat designed to inspire, energize, and completely transform your career. For the next 3 days, you'll stay in cozy lakeside accommodations that are all about comfort, peace, and good vibes. And don't worry about a thing. We've got all of your meals and beverages covered. You're here to learn, relax, and grow, and we're here to take care of everything else. Let's talk about your student kit. It is loaded with all the tools you need to kickstart your paramedical career. Think a top-of-the-line tattoo machine, premium practice skins, exclusive swag, tattoo needles, pigments, mapping tools, and more. We're setting you up for success from day one. Over the following days, you'll dive into intensive hands-on training with two of the industry's best, Shay Danielle and Cheryl Juarez. Together, you'll tackle advanced techniques for hyperrealism, scar camouflage, and inkless scar revision. You'll gain the confidence to work with delicate skin, scars, and unique challenges, ensuring your clients walk away with results that are not only beautiful, but empowering. But it's not just about the skills. You're gonna leave here with so much more than certificates, although yes, you'll earn multiple. You'll leave with new friendships, unforgettable memories, and a sisterhood that supports you long after the retreat is over. From sharing stories to celebrating your wins, this is a community that gets you. And it doesn't end there. When you leave, the support continues. You'll have direct access to Shay and Shara through our exclusive mentorship group for 3 months. This is so much more than a training. This is a beginning of your journey as a paramedical tattoo artist. It's an opportunity to grow, connect, and create a business that changes lives. We can't wait to see you here.